In front of me I have Wileyfox Spark Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to set up portable Wi-Fi hotspot on this device. First, let's swipe left on the screen, then let's tap on the settings. Here let's tap on the more. Now let's tap on the feathering and portable hotspot. Now, to turn the hotspot on, we just tap this slider right here. To turn it off, we just tap the slider again. We can also customize settings for it, right here below, set up Wi-Fi hotspot. For example, we can change the name, type of security. We can scroll down and change the password. We can tap show password to make it visible, and we can also change the bandwidth type. To save the settings, we just tap the save. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video.